How to make a reservation from online portal. If customers want to reserve units, they have to click on the Book Now button on the website. On the Rent Now page of the customer portal, the customer can select the tenant type, storage type, and move-in day to select the unit. If customers want to narrow down and look for specific units, they can click on the More filter option. Under the filter drop-down, the customers can filter based on their requirements. The list of units will be displayed based on their selection. After selecting the unit that the customer wants to reserve, click on the Reserve Now button. Please note that the customer can only reserve one unit at a time. In the Reserve Now form, fill in the details, select the lead source and review the reservation charges. Then fill in the contact preference details. Once all required fields are filled, click on the Reserve Unit button. In the payment form, enter the valid credit or debit card details. Click on the Proceed to Pay button. You have successfully completed the reservation. Have further questions? Feel free to reach out to our 24/7 chat support. Our team will be happy to address your queries.